The cerebrum. The cerebrum is the largest region of the brain. This is divided into two parts, known as the left and right hemispheres. The two hemispheres communicate and are connected via the corpus callosum. Each brain hemisphere controls the primary motor area. The primary motor area is located in the precentral gyrus. This area allows the control of voluntary motor activation, particularly those needing precision and fine dexterity. An infarction within this region may result in an ideomotor dyspraxia, or simple motor sequences may appear or present as less coordinated and clumsy in appearance. The cerebellum. The cerebellum is responsible for the coordination of motor activities. All motor messages to the body are sent through the cerebellum. Activities that require fine motor movement and dexterity are performed through the regulation of the primary motor area, the globus pallidus within the basal ganglia, and the anterior lobe region within the cerebellum. Here is an example of a task which requires both motor planning and fine motor control. This involves the spinocerebellar function within the flocculus. The flocculus is the name given to the extremity ends running from the flocculo-nodular lobe. Messages are sent from the middle ears and vestibulary systems to assist with the regular fourth ventricle. The fourth ventricle communicates with the third ventricle via the cerebral aqueduct. The cerebral aqueduct The basal ganglia. The basal ganglia is a term used to describe the nuclei which surround the internal capsule. Subthalamic nuclei. The subthalamic nuclei is located close to the thalamus and also lies above the substantia nigra in the midbrain. It sends messages to the globus pallidus, the thalamus. The thalamus is divided into two thalami, one in each hemisphere. The brainstem. The brainstem is part of the autonomic, the pons. The pons is the middle structure of the brainstem. It is bulbous in presentation due to the numerous axon projections derived from the cranial nerves and tracts